Hello everybody, welcome to another unboxing. This time we have the IC Box 4-port USB 3.0 hub and charger. The model number is IB-hub 1405. Bought this a few months ago and I didn't get to unbox it till, well, now. This is not the first IC Box product I buy. So far I'm satisfied with their products, which is partly why I bought this. Let's see. Key features: 4-port USB 3 hub, blah blah blah, with an on-off switch for each port. That's a fantastic thing to have, as long as it's working, of course. It supports charging 4 devices at the same time, USB 3. Let's see. All USB ports meet new USB battery charging specification, BC 1.2, no idea what that means, including 5V 4 amps power adapter inside. I hope. Aluminium housing, or aluminum if you are from the States. Supports multi-USB 3.0 interface using at the same time, plug and play and hot swap. Not sure what's the difference. Transfer rate up to 5 gigabits per second, supports Windows XP, Vista 7, 8, 10, macOS and Linux. And a few languages here. German, whatever. No, that's French. That is further down the line. Anyway, okay, let's open this. Oh, fantastic. All right. Be right back. Okay. Not bad. Wow. Oh, it stinks, the box. No idea why. Anyway, let's see. We have the instructions, quick installation guide. You don't need external power. What? I think it means you don't need external power for keyboard, mouse, USB stick or phone. To connect to a phone, not charge it, I assume. Languages. Okay, let's see. It is German, French, Spanish, Italian, Greek, Polish, Czech, Dutch, and Hungarian. Okay. All right. Now that's some interesting. Yeah. It says that it supports the charging standard BC 1.2 and can identify the connected mobile devices of all different brands, tablets and smartphones, to charge them with a corresponding higher speed, up to 2.1 amps at 5 volts. Connected to a running PC via USB 3 cable, the hub can charge smartphones of all brands. Without PC, it can only charge Android smartphones. I have no idea what this is. It's very strange. I mean, I have an Android phone, but still. Okay. Nothing else. Everything else I have read it before. Yeah. Okay. Okay, it's interesting. Safety information in several languages. Well, 2 languages. Everyone else can go into. Apparently, I don't know. I'm kidding. Something you don't see very often. products. Basically, it's an ad, but nice to have. Now, why did I go for this model? Apart from, it's a brand I trust, and it looked good. Also, because it's of the color. I want color in my life, including my electronic devices. And, well, simply, I'm just tired of the black color in electronics. The same way I was tired of black color, a lot of black color, beige in PCs in the 90s. But I loved black color in the 90s. Just, give me something now, else, some other colors. Come on. So we have the cable to connect to get data from the data cable for the hub. It is a USB type A on the side, and this is a micro B, one of the USB 3 micro B, not micro B, mini B. Anyway, you can see what it is. It's the same that usually connect to printers. And you have the power adapter, perhaps 4 or something. I don't know if you can see it. It's impossible to tell now. Perhaps 4 power supply. Cannot see very well. It says the input 100 to 240 volts, 50-60 hertz, 0.568 amps. Can't see. Too small for my old eyes. Output 5 volts, 4 amps, 20 watts. 20 watt. Sorry. Okay, that's the power. Oh yeah, let me show you. It's this type of cable, a round one. Let's have a look at the actual USB hub now. Okay. Oh. Okay. Let's see. First of all, it's quite small. I didn't expect it to be this small. Like what? I don't know why. Of course, because it's only 4 ports, but still. I thought it would be a little bit larger for some reason. I'm not complaining, I like this. It's metal all over, aluminum as it said. 4 small switches with sound. I like them. Nothing on the side, on one side, on the other side. The USB connection and the power connection. Nothing on the behind, nothing on the front. Serial number plus info about the company. Made in China, of course. The company is German. Yeah, I think it looks good. Huh. It's tight. It's definitely tight. Nice. It's tighter than I expected. That's what he said. Anyway. Ooh. Alright then. It's heavy. No, it's not very heavy. It's like a mouse. Perhaps it's a couple of 100 grams, I don't know. I don't think you're gonna have a problem with it, but it feels very sturdy. That's definite. The stickers on the back, on the feet here, soft. I don't know what type of material exactly it is. It definitely slows down from moving too much. Although, because it is so. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna keep the hub in place. So you're gonna have to use both hands if you want to unplug it, the device. Either way, That's it. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.